What's going on YouTube? Krifok here. Just doing a quick mail day. First off, I did a trade with my man Bloodspawn80. His link will be down below. This is what I got in the trade. Got a Kelvin Williams numbered to 400 sweet spot auto. Plays on the Redskins. Brian Cushing autograph, sign of the times. Sean Weatherspoon, Falcons linebacker auto. This one's numbered to 199. This Bruce Smith TTM he got. This is pretty cool. I think that's 88 tops. Yeah. Mike Jenkins autograph rookie tops. And a Calvin Johnson jersey from Epics. They also got this Beanie Wells refractor, 2010 tops. Job at Best tops Magic rookie. Zabransky, Jersey Zabransky X-Fractor, Cushing X-Fractor tops. And then I got this from him. It's a Demarius Thomas SP Authentic patch auto. It's got the FedEx Orange Bowl patch in it, so it's pretty cool. Also, I got picked up. The next I picked up this from my man Kelvin ML is a Garrett Graham that he got in the box break that we're doing a trade for. Other stuff I got in the break was this Derek Morgan numbered to 300 sweet spot auto. Kenny Britt sweet swatch. Chris Johnson sweet swatch, and Josh Freeman. Alright, and then some stuff I picked up recently. I got a Daquan Bowers silver Sage auto. Drake Nevis Sage auto, number to 250. Armand Robinson, number to 250 auto Sage, and a Jamie Harper silver Sage auto. And then also I picked up this LaShawn McCoy auto from 2009 Topps Unique, number to 151 out of 40 or 400. I'm sorry. That's awesome. It's my first McCoy auto. And that's it. Quick mail day. Krifok out.